The Great Lakes of North America, once a symbol of peace, have now become terrifying under the wrath of nature. Lightning strikes continuously on the roof, creating a terrible scene. Flashes of light cutting across the dark sky. The winds are fierce and strong, as if wanting to tear apart every tree, shaking the peaceful land. The scene is even more desolate when lightning strikes directly on the roof, making everything shake, bringing fear throughout the space. Meanwhile, the trucks cannot escape, with a strong hit on the truck bed in the lake surface as a cold warning from nature. In the face of this terrifying power, we can only perceive and feel the impermanence that Mother Nature has brought. The Houston City Hall building is the headquarters of the City of Houston's municipal government. Constructed during 1938 and 1939, the City Hall complex is located on Bagby Street on the western side of downtown Houston. A sudden downpour of rain poured down on Houston, followed by terrifying lightning strikes that struck the Houston City Hall building. Lightning streaked across the sky, illuminating the entire area, while lightning continuously struck the electric poles. Strong winds swept everything away on the chaotic streets in the dark night. Thunder rumbled in the sky. The scene was fierce and terrifying, leaving the local residents terrified by this sudden storm. A flight from Chicago O'Hare International Airport to Idlewild Airport, located in Jamaica, Queens, southeast of New York City, encountered severe weather conditions en route. As the plane approached the New York area, a large storm began to form, bringing with it violent vortexes and darkening the sky with dense, impenetrable clouds. The situation became worse when the plane was struck by lightning, with each bolt striking the wings, causing the fuselage to shake violently. Passengers on board were alarmed as they felt the plane sway and the rumble of thunder echoing through the windows. Despite the uncertainty, the crew remained calm and professional in flying the plane. With great concentration and excellent piloting skills, they guided the plane through the fierce storm, and finally the plane was able to land safely at Idlewild Airport. A sense of relief enveloped all the passengers as they stepped onto the ground, knowing that they had just experienced a challenging journey, but fortunately it had ended well. Weather report from Florida. In the city of Okeechobee, famous as the county seat of Okeechobee County, Florida, a sudden storm swept through, bringing with it severe weather changes. With a population of more than 5,000 people, this area suffered a memorable hurricane, causing the sky to seem to explode under deafening lightning and thunder. Nongkia chopsak ben, nongloi ang bau troi jem, chiu sanka khom gen motoi. Tukat ngoi nha, ngoi dan koten hin tekan twong tien, hien jai suk man kwan hongret set lien, tip yang shong. Taora mon twong wadu doa Yobat Jogam Ru, Quan Teo Moi Tu Tren Juang Jikuano, Tronkin Hong Kon Muak Soi Che Jo Shuang Ha Muan Han Chim Tat Ka, Shi Trong Toi Hian Ngan, Muk Nuok Jan Dan Kao, Ngap Ngang Tan Ngoi Ba Tran Bao Kash Kuguk Danku. Dukon Bao Mang Jen Sulo Lang Ban Gui Hien, the Fun Han Rang Nokum Taura Mat Buk Tran Tien, Nien Ki Dier, Jai Suk Hut Trong Kon Jian Dukwano. Nhang Hien Duang Toi Tien Nai Lang Hak No Wen Me Suk Wen Kong Di Joan Truok Wa Tu Nhaien. Mod Ve Jep Jai Mi Hawk, Nhung Kong Bo Kong Gui Hien. Truk Tiep Shobi, Toi La Fong Bien Toi Tiet Kua Ban Tai Florida, Juatin Be Kon Bao Jang Huan Han. Jong Toi Keo Goi Woi Dun Can Control But Wan Tu Cax Bien Pepenton. Miami Mansion, located at 99B Waterloo Road, Prince Edward, Kowloon Peninsula, is an apartment complex in the heart of the bustling city. Around this area, life is bustling with high-rise buildings reaching into the sky, hotels and apartments springing up side by side, all as evidence of the strong and unceasing development of Hong Kong. But today, the sky of Hong Kong has a different face. Dark clouds rolled in, covering the entire sky. Then suddenly, without warning, the sky was lit up by lightning bolts that slashed across, striking the towering rooftops. Thunder boomed like firecrackers, and then, immediately after, the rain began to pour down. The whole city seemed to light up with powerful lightning. The thunder exploded in the sky, shaking the space, signaling a stormy night. Hong Kong was immersed in darkness, but the light of the lightning bolts suddenly awakened it, like lights from heaven were shining over the city.